Hey guys, what's happening? How to make Messenger notifications work again. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to make sure that you're logged in to your Messenger. Go back to the screen, go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down to the notifications. Go ahead and click notifications, scroll a little bit down to find Messenger, right? And open it up if you find it. Sorry, I'm having a hard time. Yeah, Messenger right here. Make sure to allow notifications. Also, if you want to modify some of the notification settings, go ahead and click and make sure that if you turn on the do not disturb mode, you won't receive notifications. So make sure that you turn that do not disturb mode off. Next, what you're gonna do, scroll or swipe down to your control center, and as you can see, make sure that you turned off the do not disturb mode. That way you're gonna be able to receive notifications. So that's one of the comments of this video. Hope to. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.